friends, welcome to today's video. So today's question is based on many points. So let's start. So I'll be drawing along with the question. So point A is 30 meter to the east of point B. So point B will come here and point A will be 30 meter to the east of point B, which is 20 meter to the north of point P, which means the point B will be 20 meter to the north of point P. So point P should come here somewhere. B is 20 meter to the north. So P should be coming in the south direction. Now point C is 16 meter to the west of E. So point C and E both are new. So let's leave it there. Now point F is 12 meter to the south of point C. F and C both are again new. So let's leave it there and let's go to the next line. Point E is 10 meter to the south of point A. So point E will be here somewhere. It is 10 meter to the south of point A. So here somewhere it will come. So this is also 10 and this is 10. Now let's go to the remaining parts. Point C is 16 meter to the west of point E. So this distance, how much it will come? This is 30. So point C should be coming somewhere here. Okay, 16 meter to the west. So point C should be coming here. This is 16 and this will be 14 and this is 14. Total distance is 30. So in 16 meters, point C should come. Point C is 16 meters to the west of point E. So this sentence we are seeing here. Point C is 16 meters to the west of point E. So point C should come here. Now point F is 12 meter to the south of point C. So this much distance is 10 meters. So again 2 meters will come. So point F is south of point C. Now point E is 10 meter to the south of point A. We had already written. Now point R is 13 meter to the east of point C. Point R is 13 meter to the east of point C. So here somewhere point R should come. Here the total distance is 16 meters. So here somewhere in 13 meters point R should come. So this is 3 meters and this is 13 meters. So this is our final diagram. I'll draw it once more clearly. You need not redraw this because it will take a lot of time. So first itself when you draw, you have to draw it very clearly and somewhat big also. So if point Y is exactly between B and P, that means point Y is exactly between B and P. So this is where our point Y should come. Then C is how far and in which direction from point Y. We had already written all these distances. So that is why this question became very easy for us. Then and there denote the distance. It is very important. So I have written here 13, 3. When I wrote here 13, I wrote corresponding 13 here also. When I wrote here 3, I wrote the corresponding 3 here too. When I wrote 14, I wrote the corresponding 14 here too. So it became very easy. So C is 14 meters and in which direction? It will be in the east direction from Y. So 14 meters east will be your answer. Now same question, second point. If point Y is 6 meters south of point A, then find the shortest distance between point R and point Y. So point Y is 6 meters south of point A. So here the point Y is not there. So point Y should be 6 meters south of point A. So somewhere here Y should come. The total distance is 10 meters. So this is 6 and this will be 4. Then find the shortest distance between point R and point Y. Where is point R? Okay, point R is here and point Y is here. So what is the shortest distance between R and Y? So this distance you have to find out. Okay, this is a distance you have to find out. So as I have written, YE is equal to 4 and RE we had already written RE is equal to 3. So the distance between R and Y, RY will be equal to root of 4 square plus 3 square, which gives you 5 meters. So 5 meters will be your answer. So it became very easy because I had already denoted RE is equal to 3 meters. Otherwise, if I had not written 3 meters here, again I have to read the question again and write here. So it is very important that you mark the distances. Okay. Now the last question of this main question. If point X is exactly in the middle of the points B and P, find the distance between the point R and point X. So Y is not here. It is point X which is exactly in the middle between B and P. Find the distance between the point R and point X. So this is point R and this is point X. You have to find out this total distance. You know this distance is equal to 14 and this distance is 13. CR is equal to 13 and XC is equal to 14. It's already in the figure itself. So 14 plus 13 is equal to 27 meter will be your final distance between X and R. Now second question, point P is 10 meter to the south of point Q. So point Q should come here and point P will be 10 meters to the south of point Q, which is 8 meter to the west of point R. So point Q is 8 meter. So this is very important. You have to read the question carefully. Point P is 10 meter to the south of point Q, which is, so point Q is 8 meter to the west of point R. So somewhere point R should come and point Q is 8 meter west. R should be to the east of Q. So this distance is 8. Point S is 14 meter to the north of point R. So somewhere to the north, 14 meters distance, point S should come. So point S is 14 meters to the north of point R. Now point T is 4 meters to the east of point U, which is 5 meter to the south of point S. So point U will be 5 meter to the south of point S. So this is S means U will be to the 5 meter. So this distance is 5. So this distance will be 9. UR is equal to 9 and US is equal to 5. So U will be 5 meter to the south of point S and point T is 4 meter to the east of point U. So T will be 4 meter to the east of point U. So that means it's over. Next, point T is 8 meter to the west of point V. So 8 meter to the west of point V, T should come. So this distance is 8. V should come here somewhere. T is to the west, so V should come to the east of point T. Now point W is 19 meter to the south of point V. So you know that this distance is already 9 meters. UR is 9, so V and this distance should come 9. So again 10 meters should come because the total distance is 19 meters and point W should be coming here. Point W is 19 meters to the south of point V and point W is 12 meter to the east of point X. So here it is 8 meters is coming, here 4 meters is coming. So totally 12 meters means here point X should come. This distance is 12. So this is point X. Point W is 12 meter to the east of point X. So here 12 meters should come. So this distance is also equal to 10. Here 8, here 4. So here also you can mark this is 8 and this is 4. So total 12 meters is the distance between X and W. Okay. So you have completed the figure. Now you can go to the question. Find the shortest distance between points S and V. So S is here and V is here. So shortest distance between S and V means it is the hypotenuse of a right triangle. And what is this distance? This is 8 and this is 4. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. UV is equal to 12 and SU is equal to 5. This is 5 and this is 12. Okay. You have to find out the distance between S and V. So it is forming the hypotenuse of a right triangle with sides SU and V, where UV is equal to 12 and SU is equal to 5. So you will be getting SV is equal to root of 12 square plus 5 square, which gives you root of 144 plus 25 or root of 169, which will be giving you 13 meters. Now for the same question, the second sub question is find W is how much far and in which direction from P. So W is how much far and in what direction from P. So this is P and this is W. So what is the distance? This distance is 8. So 8 plus 12, 20 meters. 20 meters east. So W is 20 meters east of P. This 8 plus 4 plus 8. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. So 20 meters east is point W from P. For more aptitude, vocabulary and logical reasoning videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.